Hey everyone, this is Yan from Devolutions HQ with this month's Report from the Trenches, the August 2021 edition. Let's take a look. So in this month's newsletter, we got a lot of exciting news, a lot of things related to security once again, because that's definitely on the forefront of our minds, trying to help you as our clients get the best customer service as possible. So in this month, we're excited to spotlight the fact that Devolutions has actually become what we call a CNA. So CNA stands for CVE Numbering Authority. And if you're curious about what CVE is a common vulnerability and exposures list or database where we can assign CVE IDs to common vulnerabilities, maybe in our software solutions. And we want to offer you the peace of mind that we're aware of the issues that we may have and what we're doing to mitigate these vulnerabilities possibly. So Martin Lemay, our CISO, writes a really good article about just basically what CVEs are, how it impacts you as one of our clients or customers, and what the CNA program is all about. So the next article is written by Derek Saint-Hilaire, and it's 5 common cybersecurity mistakes that SMBs make and how to fix them. So a quick read, but something very helpful for you. Now, for the August poll, our question for you to possibly win a $25 Amazon gift card is, what tool do you use to manage third-party access? So click on the link and be part of this August poll for a chance to win that Amazon gift card. The next article is an update in one of our solutions. It's RDM for Android, and our team has worked hard to give you dark theme. A lot of you have asked for that, and I know, especially me, I like using dark theme in all my applications. So we've made it available for Android, and our team has worked hard to make sure everything looks nice and functions as usual. Next, we have a couple more cybersecurity articles. The first one is Ransomware Rising, what's happening and how to protect your organization. Don't know about you, but if you've been looking at the news lately, cybersecurity news, a lot of ransomware attacks. Well, what can we do to help reduce those? This article deals with that. The next article is Should You Trust a Third Party with Your Cybersecurity? Written by Karim Gananame, who's a cybersecurity expert. He kind of gives the overview of why you might consider the importance of using a third-party application. A lot of times we do things in-house, and I get it. Is it really worth it to trust a third party to handle cybersecurity? So it gives you kind of the pros and cons about it. So I think it'd definitely be a helpful article if that's something you're considering nowadays. In the video section, we have a webinar that was actually very popular, so we put it back up here for you to have access to. If you haven't watched it yet, I did a great webinar with Marc Beauséjour, who's really an expert in all things Remote Desktop Manager and all of our products. We just chatted about 5 tips that on how to use Remote Desktop Manager in a team environment. I know we say 5 tips, but he actually gives you a lot more things that you can do. So if that interests you, go ahead and click on that link and watch our YouTube video there. And then we saved the best for last as Patrick Desilets, our artist, comes again with another good classic sysadminitor comic, BOYD2. Thanks again for joining us for the Report from the Trenches for the August edition. Have a wonderful rest of your day.